All right. The fridge was looking real empty. The cabinets, too. I kept saying I'd do a grocery run, but life kept lifing. Work, bills, just being tired. And yeah, I let it pile up. But today, I finally got up and made it happen. Went to the store, came back, and restocked everything. It doesn't fix everything, but something about seeing a full fridge again. It just makes me feel a little more in control. Like, okay, we're good for now. Food's put away. Snacks are stocked. And for today, that's enough.